Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update Ford Escape Sync Easy Guide. Begin by confirming your sync version in Settings, then prepare a FAT32 USB drive with at least 2 GB free. Turn the vehicle on and avoid shutting it off during the update. Follow the on-screen prompts when the system detects the USB update. If prompted, accept terms and let the process finish fully without interruption for a stable update. Plug in a freshly formatted FAT32 USB drive with the update files at the root level. Confirm the total file size is compatible with your drive and that no other files remain to confuse the sync system. Use a reliable USB port on your vehicle and insert the drive only after the car is on. Watch for a notification that an update is available and follow prompts. Do not remove the USB until the system confirms completion. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free music and navigation tips while working on your vehicle, and it fits neatly on a garage shelf. I linked the product and current deals in the description for your convenience, so check that out. Thanks, and now let's get back to the video. When Sync recognizes the USB, accept the update and let it run through all stages without interruption. The process may include multiple reboots of the head unit, which is normal, so remain patient and avoid pressing buttons that could cancel the update. Keep the vehicle on and let the update finalize. After completion, check settings to confirm the new Sync version. If issues occur, consult your dealer for support or retry with a fresh USB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.